Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, guys, this is my raised bed here, and this raised bed, I'm preparing this raised bed for the spring. Right now we in December, but I'm actually putting this raised bed together. As you can see, we have pumpkin, and this is the juice from the pumpkin that been breaking down. Pumpkin still breaking down. We have edos, we have different type of vegetables in here that I grow in this garden. So what I'm gonna do now, look at the beautiful garden, look at the soil. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to take this soil and cover it. So now, this is what I'm gonna be doing in this whole garden. I already did here. I'm getting ready to do over there. So I'm basically prepping my raised bed for the spring. So guys, after you cover this, all you do, you leave this right here. What this gonna do is gonna jar a lot of them wanted bacteria, them earthworms. These are the kind of stuff this gonna jar in this raised bed. So now this raised bed gonna be very rich, clean and pretty for the spring. This is something good. I do this all the time. If you feel it's something you feel like you want to try, you can try it as well. But I just want to say, guys, thank you all. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace, love and blessing. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.